I did purchase the Long-tube headers. I did go with the JBA Long-tube. I think they're 1 7/8 inches. Now I went with that because I have big plans for the car to put big power to the car. So that's why I didn't go with the 1 3/4. But if you guys didn't know, I already have a full 3-inch straight pipe all the way to the back of the car. And with the headers, I just feel like, man, they're just gonna wake the car up and just turn the car into a beast. Now with the headers, I'm not gonna get a tune just yet. I'm gonna drive it around, let you guys see how it is without the tune for about a couple weeks. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get the tune so I can show you guys the difference between the powers. I'm gonna go get some races in with the headers just like this on the exact same setup, give you guys some exhaust clips and all of that good stuff. So don't worry about all of that, man. I'm gonna have all that content for you guys. But I don't think you guys understand how much you guys mean to me, man, with subscribing and liking the videos and commenting and all of that. When you interact with me, man, it's what builds me. So without you guys, I would have none of this. This build wouldn't even exist. The start of this build wouldn't even exist. The headers wouldn't be here, none of that. I'll just be having a regular car, no camo or anything. So I really have to appreciate you guys, man, so much. And I really appreciate all my viewers and all my subscribers and everybody else for watching my videos. So this is what I'm gonna go ahead and do, man. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a giveaway at 1,500 subs. So at 1,500 subs, man, I will be doing a giveaway for 3 winners. Now, I'm not gonna talk too much into details about the giveaway in this video. So if you want to enter the giveaway, make sure to stay tuned for my next video because I'll be giving out all the details for the giveaway. But that's pretty much it, man. Let's get right into the video. All right, guys, here with the beast. And if you guys don't know, I'm here at RTB Exhaust now. Go ahead and install my Long-tube headers. Now, if you didn't watch my last video, I did go with the JBA Long-tube headers. Now, I think it was 1 7/8 the width. But sheesh, man, the car is loud already the way it is with the full straight pipe exhaust setup. But now I'm expecting this fucking shit to really wake up. Like, it's gonna have no air restrictions, so that shit's gonna be cool. But once again, man, make sure to go check out my guys at RTB Exhaust. They're gonna get you right, man. But I'll continue when you start working on the car because I don't want to hold you guys up too long and watch the nonsense. But let's get there. All right, guys, so as you guys can see, the car is now on the lift and it's ready to start the process. So all right, guys, so it's about 6 hours later. Oh my God. So I'm gonna stand in a little distance away from my car because I want to show you guys that you actually could tell with the distance. But let's go ahead and give the cold start right away. See how loud it gets. Alright guys, so it's currently the next morning. I just got my car back yesterday from the exhaust shop. Now if you don't know, the headers is like an 8-hour installation for the process. So It basically took all day for me to get the headers on the car, but after driving it home last night, I do feel a difference. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I do feel a difference, a big difference, matter of fact. I don't have the tune yet, if you guys are wondering, but I'm for sure getting the tune real soon, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that, because I feel like it's really gonna unleash all the power. But I couldn't really give it a full throttle because my guy Matt at RTB did tell me that not to like really get too hard on the gas and full throttle it all the way, because I guess you gotta let the, I guess he wants me to drive like 50 miles and everything, so I won't blow my gaskets or anything, and everything stay good with the headers.